Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram blurry photos on iPhone. So first of all, go to settings and go to your Wi-Fi connection. Now as you can see here, I've gone to my Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Now with this, check your Wi-Fi connection is stable or not, then it would be working fine. Now go to your app store and check if your Instagram is on the latest update or not. So it is not updated, then update it again. And after that, go to your settings and go to your camera settings. After that, and check if it is on the highest quality or not. As you can see, my camera settings is on high efficiency, so it will not be blurry photos. And last but not least, you can uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. And that's it. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.